YouTube world, Joy the Barber 731 checking back in with you guys. And today I have a very special clipper review video, an unboxing, also sound, size check, all this stuff. I'm not gonna over talk it, but today I have the Rose Gold BABYLISSPRO. These are the FX7880s. This is the adjustable cordless clipper by Babyliss. These are, will be in the same class as your wall magic clips, your wall cordless, and your wall cordless and its master, same thing. But I'm gonna go ahead and pop the top off for you guys and take them out. As y'all can see, man, Babyliss is coming out with some straight heat. I love this rose gold color. If you haven't watched the clipper review to the Rose Gold FX skeleton clipper, I'm gonna leave that in the description below. Please check that out. Like I said, rose gold, this is the exact same colorway, just in the adjustable lever clipper. I'm gonna turn them on right quick. As you can see, the switch is here. If you've been rocking with Babyliss for a minute, you might remember when they first released their the first BABYLISSPRO FX adjustable, which was corded silver along. It was made the same, but the biggest difference between this one and that one is the button placement, the on and off switch. Here, of course, you have it right here in the middle. Great placement, especially for if you're a barber, you know how important it is to have your on and off switch reachable on the clipper that you use most, like in the hand that you use most. I'm right-handed, so a lot of times I have my clipper in my right hand. But with the old Babyliss clipper, the on and off switch was down here. And not only that, I can guarantee you, I don't have that clipper anymore, I sold it, but I can guarantee you that clipper was at least this much longer than this clipper is. The button was here, which made it very hard with the same hand. You either have to grab it down here and use your pinky, or wrist dropping it, holding it like this, and then try to use your thumb to, but Babyliss listens to the community, and they changed and put the button here instead. And as you can see, it don't get much better than that. Yeah, man, first impressions, I love it. Haven't used it yet. I let it charge up all night just so I can get a full day's work, but I love the look. I love the feel. I love the weight of the clip in my hand. I love the fact that the blade is zero gappable, if that's even a word, I don't know. But yeah, man, so stay tuned. Gonna be bringing that in the next part of the video. All right, guys, so as you can see, I'm here at the shop. Just about to give you guys a quick size and sound comparison of the BABYLISSPRO FX. All right, so as you can see, got them here charging, and I'm gonna leave a link to my previous clip review to the Babyliss FX skeletons, the trimmer. But in there, I mentioned as well, Babyliss did a really good job with the housing itself. I mean, you can tell just when you put your hands on the clipper that it's well made. The lever, everything about this clipper says quality, especially when it comes to the charging port. It's very snug. Once you put it in, you know it's not gonna come out, so got your hook right here. But the cable itself is very good quality, as well as the charger, long enough for you to use, but then the battery life on these as well is very good. Full charge can sometimes last me all day, just depending. Like I'm the kind of barber, I bounce between certain clippers depending on the hair type, the texture, what haircut I'm doing, just, and I don't like to overwork one clipper, a whole day. But this clipper, for the most part, so far has lasted me a whole day, without dying, of course. Throughout the day I do charge it sometimes, just if I don't have anything going on, but it will last a full day. But give you guys a quick size comparison. As far as length, here you have the Babyliss next to the Wall Senior. I'd say it's probably about an inch or so as far as the body length longer. Width, it's a little bit slimmer, especially like when you're talking about the top. But with the cool thing that I like about Babyliss so far with Wall is that one quick side note, on here right now I have a Wall taper blade. Reason behind that is I was just trying out different blades to see if they worked or not. I tried the ceramic blade. If you have these wall ceramic blades, they will not work. They will not work. The difference in, and I can't show you without taking it off, but this is a wall one. This is the closest one that will fit on the Babylist clipper, but the difference is the hole sizes and the location. This one will not go on just due to the 2 different hole locations and the size of them. Even the wall one for the cutting blade, this will not go on there. You have to have, to my knowledge so far, unless they have any other modified clippers, you have to have a Babylist blade. This itself will not go on there. But as far as a wall, you know, top blade, it will go on there. As you can see here, this is the wall, this is the Babylist blade, this is a fade blade, but I'll show you. This is the Babylist blade, and this is the wall blade that I have on there. As you can see, they're pretty much identical. The holes align, everything lines up, you know, no problem. As you can see, you know, there's no problem with the blade itself being on there. I like it even better because I can just slap on my wall premium blades and, you know, use it just like if it was a wall magic clip or whatever else with a Babylist clipper. All right, so finna give you guys a quick sound comparison. First, there's the Babylist XF. And next we just have the traditional 5-star wall senior. So as far as sound on those, I say it's, you know, kind of similar. I say the Babylist is a little bit quieter. It's a different sound, of course, because of different motor type, but nonetheless, they're not louder than the wall senior is. Okay, now what about the Andis T outliner? As you can see, I definitely say that the BABYLISSPRO is a lot quieter than the, you know, your traditional Andis T outliner. Okay, so now what about the FX skeleton? So yeah, guys, for the most part, I absolutely love this clipper. I've been using it now for about 2 weeks, and durability, battery life, just giving a smooth cut. As far as everything else, I give this clipper a solid 9 out of 10. I'll do an updated review hopefully sometime later. I plan on doing one with the FX skeleton as well. But you know, if you're looking for a good cordless adjustable, say you already had the wall magic clip, say you already have any wall Andis, but you just want to switch it up, you want something that pops, you want good battery life, you want power, you want all of that in one, I definitely would recommend these. But yeah, man, that's it for the size and sound comparison. I hope you guys are enjoying the video so far. Please stay tuned to the next clip. I'll be doing a haircut with these here, showing you guys the performance and all that and just how they work. But yeah, man, I appreciate you guys for watching. Stay tuned to the channel as well. If you haven't watched already, I'll leave a link in the description of my Wave Journey episode 1. In there, I mentioned that I'll be doing a review on Shea Moisture's Waving Pomade. That video will be coming soon, hopefully within the next week. Also, I'll be doing another haircut tutorial that I'm working on, how to fade straight hair, Caucasian hair, you know, any kind of straight hair texture. So also be on the lookout for that. But yeah, like I said, this next clip will be me using this clipper, and I'll just let it ride out. So this is me, Dre the Barber 731, checking out. Hope you guys enjoyed. Leave a like, and if you're new, please subscribe. I really want to try to build my following on here and try to, you know, keep this content coming, man. I'm really enjoying it so far, so you can do that. Enjoy the Barber 731 checking out. Peace.